How to install a headstock bag. The headstock bag can be installed in different positions. Tutorial on installing the front bumper cover on a vehicle. Fix the upper part of the headstock bag with Velcro cable ties. Pass through the holes on the front bumper cover for fixation. Display effect of installation. Tutorial on installing the headstock bag below the handlebars. Thread the magic strap through the upper car bar. Loop around the front bar. Pass through the holes of the front bumper cover for fixation. Display effect of installation.